Good afternoon, everybody. Let me bring you in just a little bit. I'm here to work on my 100 days project. Today's, well, let me see. I'm not going to be able to tell you every time. I'll have to wait till I get to the computer to tell you that today is day 6. What? Right? Day 6. Today's April 7th, day 6. Cannot tell you those things all the time. I have decided I'm going to go back to using Mod Podge. I do not like the Liquitex Matte Medium. I don't know exactly why it's taking the color off of things, but it is, and I don't like it. So it's gonna be Mod Podge. So I'm gonna get to work in here, and I will talk to you towards the end. one of the problems with the Mod Podge is that it's wet. Because it's wet, I cannot do the outlining with the graphite that I wanted to do. I really like what I've been doing with this as far as outlining those goes. So what I may have to do is tomorrow do that before I start the next collage. The nice thing about the matte medium was that it dried so quickly, but like I said, I don't like the fact that it is lifting the ink off of my images, and it might just be something is too old or something, I don't know. But I think what I'll do is do the collage on one piece and then finish up yesterday's and call that my day. It just makes kind of a big old mess when I do the ink on the same day. So I want to read you a quote from my 1001 Ways to Creativity book. And today's quote is, "Don't be afraid to show your work to others. Creative criticism is not virtually. Don't be afraid to show your work to others. Creative criticism is vitally important in helping you to improve your skills." That is true. That is one of the reasons I'm trying to do Instagram, where people can make comments. I hope everybody is enjoying this. We'll see how long I can keep it up, and I'll talk to you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.